Meet CLOiD, your new robot friend. LG Electronics introduced a special robot at CES 2026. Its name is CLOiD. It is the first home robot that can help you with many chores. CLOiD has 2 arms, 10 fingers, and wheels. It can move just like a person. It is very smart because it uses artificial intelligence AI. CLOiD can do the laundry and cook breakfast. It can even help you exercise by counting your moves. When you talk to CLOiD, it understands you and learns your habits. It works with other machines in your house to make life easier. Now people can have more free time to relax. LG's new robot is like a helper from the future.